Right, so this question here, Aidan, they've given you this diagram on the right hand side there, which is a cubic function, right? So you can see there you've got a root, which is actually a repeated root at -5, and you've got a single root at 4. So I'm going to start off by writing down what my roots are and then working out what my factors are, right? So the roots are going to be x equals -5, and that's a repeated root. Okay, and the other root is x equal 4, right? So if that's what the roots are, then we can work out what our factors are. Okay, so our factors are going to be x plus 5 and x minus 4. Okay, because this is the repeated root, that's where this squared term comes from. So we can actually work out our values of a and b straight away. So a is going to be 4 and b is going to be -5, and all that's left to work out is k. So if I sub it in to this, I'm going to have f of x equals k times x minus 4 brackets x plus 5 squared. Again, the reason that's squared is because it's a repeated root. I now need to work out what k is, so we use the point that we're given in the question, this one here. So that's an x and a y coordinate. And we're going to sub that into this equation here. Okay, so remember f of x relates to the y coordinate. So that tells us that 9 equals k times 1 minus 4 times 1 plus 5 squared. Okay, so working that through, we're going to get 9 equals k times -3 times, well, that's 6 squared, which is 36. So 9 equals -108k. So k equals 9 divided by -108, which is -1/12. Okay, so to conclude the first part of the question, a equals 4, b equals -5, and c equals -12. So that's 1 mark for each part there. And I'll do the second part of the question on a different video.